Hi, my name is Madalina and in today's video I will make a piñata unicorn. I will start by making the shape that I want on the cardboard, copied from Pinterest of course. Because I have a lot of cardboard and the birthday of a friend is coming up, I decided to make another crazy/funny gift. I will cut the shape from the cardboard, put it on top of another piece of cardboard and trace it with my pencil. This way the two faces will be symmetrical. Then I will use more cardboard to make the sides, and because it's cardboard I can model it the way I want. So I will cut all the size necessary and write on them where they go so I don't forget. Now I have to attach the sides. I thought about using a glue gun, but I decided to just use duct tape in the end. I will tape the sides on one face first and then between each other. Now that I have this done, I will attach the other face off camera. I decided to attach the bottom only halfway because I want to be able to put another gift inside. I don't know how to make this stay here yet, but I'll think about it later. I have this excess of tape and I want to cut it off because it's bothering me. For the actual face of the unicorn, I will use some double-sided tape and some A4 white paper. I will trace again with the pencil where the hairlines are and then cut the excess from the sides and continue doing that for the rest of the sides. For the hair, I will use this craft paper. I will fold it a few times and then cut it. I thought about buying the piñata strips that are already made, but they were more expensive this way, so I decided to make my own because I already had this paper and it's super easy to make. I will use double-sided tape to attach the paper and cut it the same shape as the cardboard. I glued the first strip and then I realized that it's better to start from the bottom. So I did that and then I started from the actual bottom. Meanwhile, my double-sided tape from the roller finished and I started to use another type of tape, but it works just as good. After I finished with the hair, I made the shape for the mouth and the eyes with the pencil, then with the marker, and then I wanted to make one side cute and one side crazy. So now on one side is cute and one it's funny. For the horn, I will use a blue paper and roll it like you would roll a horn for sunflower seeds. I don't know if people do that or it's just me. I'll use more tape to fix it in place, cut the end straight, put more tape and attach it. Because this unicorn is not sparkly enough, I will put this sticky sparkly strip around the horn. I'll make the ears from white foam and the inside of the ears from pink foam. Stick them together. And I want them to have this shape, so I will use a stapler for that. I will attach it with double-sided tape under the hair so the staple is not visible. The last thing that I will do is make flowers in different colors to attach them around the horn. And I will use the same paper that I used for the hair. I made these flowers for another video too, for unicorn Christmas baubles. If you want, go and check that out. They're really easy to make. Fold them how many times you want, cut them in whatever shape you want, and make more layers of the same size and different sizes. And to fix them together, I will use this metal thing, put tape on them and attach them. I also used one of those metal things to fix the bottom in place. This is how it turned out. I think it looks amazing. Leave a comment down below with your opinion, like and subscribe for more. Bye!